So for today we are going to make DIY easy Yema cake. So this video is inspired by Tito Recasosa. He did a video tutorial on Yema cake. So this is the easy version. So on the latter part of my video, I'll give you the link of his tutorial. So let's go on with the ingredients. We need 1 box of hot cake mix. In some countries they call it pancake mix. So if you prefer to use cake mix, then you can use vanilla cake mix. And then just follow the list of ingredients and instruction on the box. So mine may be different from yours. So for this particular brand, it calls for 1 egg, 3/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And for the additional ingredients, for the toppings, we need 1 large can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. So this is 387 grams or 200 ml. And we also need 3 egg yolks. So this is 3 egg yolks. Grated cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, vanilla essence, and 1/2 cup of milk. So in his tutorial, he used fresh milk. I don't have fresh milk, so I used evaporated milk instead. So here is my hot cake mix. I will add 1 egg. So we are going to make the cake first before the topping. So make sure that your egg is in room temperature. And then 1 tablespoon of oil. Three-fourth cup of water. And then mix. There, and then set this aside. Then I'll be using a rice cooker in baking this cake. So I'm going to grease it first with a little bit of oil. You can use cooking spray if you have one. Here I'm using a tissue paper. Then put some oil. Then grease the bottom and the sides. And then I'm gonna line it with aluminum foil, or you can use parchment paper if you have one. Like so. Then cut a circle. Like so. It doesn't have to be too perfect. Then grease the inside with oil again. And then we're going to pour in the cake mixture. Like so, and then just spread it around. Like so. And then we will cook it, put it in the rice cooker and press. So now it's on the warm setting, so let's check the cake. As you can see that the cake is still not done, so we have to wait for a little while, maybe for 2 minutes before we press it again, because if you press it right away it will just go back to warm setting. So let's press it. So now it's in the warm setting again, so let's check. So see, as you can see that the top now is dry. And you can also use a toothpick. When it comes out clean, then it means that the cake is already done. So I remove the cake from the rice cooker, then let it cool first before you transfer it on the plate. So in the pan, we will combine the remaining ingredients. So we'll pour in 1 cup of condensed milk, and then 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, or again you can use fresh milk, 3 egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. And then just mix, and we will cook it in low heat. So before I cook that in the stove, I'm going to transfer the cake first on the plate so that the cake is ready once the toppings is cooked. Then remove the foil. See, as you can see, it's still super soft. Then I will set this aside and proceed cooking the Yema topping. So in low heat, we're going to keep or constantly stir the Yema mixture until it thickens. As you can see that it's now boiling and it's thicker. So wait a few minutes more before you turn off the heat. So now I turn off the heat and look at the consistency. There. Now I'm going to pour the Yema mixture. On top. And I will add in my grated cheese. Like so. See, I'm going to kind of fix the sides. So here is the finished product. So let's try it. So let's try it. It's delicious. It's a must try. You should try this. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys like it. Please visit and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.